Welcome to Grill and Smoke BBQ. I'm Jeffrey. I was at my local HEB and I saw some barbecue sauce that was cherry jalapeno. And you know, I like spicy food, so cherry jalapeno kind of caught my eye. So I figured I'd give it a try. So today, I'm going to be doing up 2 racks of spare ribs, and I'm going to try out that barbecue sauce to see if it's any good. So without further ado, let's do it. Okay, so what we have here is a spare rib that was already cut St. Louis style when I bought it. I just peeled the membrane off. And the first thing we're going to do, we're going to season it with the base layer being the Kinders, the blend, which has salt, pepper, and garlic in it. And we're going to do the back side first, because this will be the side that is not showing and doesn't have to be as pretty. And as you can see, the Kinders rub is a little coarse, has big chunks in it, and it also tastes great. And on top of that, we'll be using the Pitboss hickory bacon. So pretty much, with it being hickory bacon, it's like pork on top of pork. And of course, someone would call me, but they can wait. So let's get this taken care of. And flip it over, get the other side. Okay, we're gonna do the Kinders again. Fortunately, not too windy today, so my rub isn't flying everywhere. And then gonna come back with the Pitboss hickory bacon. Just pat that in. And I'm gonna get the sides with this. I'm not too much worried about using the SPG on the side. I'm gonna do the other one, and then I'm gonna fire up the Pitboss. We'll get them on there. So no need for you to see me do the other one. It's gonna be the exact same thing. So I'll see you when I'm ready to put these on the smoker. Alright, it's time to put the ribs on. I'm gonna be doing these at 250 degrees. Remember, you put them on the way you want them to come out. I'll check back on these in about an hour and see about spritzing. I almost forgot to mention, So since I'm doing things that I just saw, I wanted to see how good they were. While I was at Walmart, I picked up some pellets, which is the Expert Grill 5-star, and it is the hickory and oak blend. So when I give this a shot as well, see how this turns out. Alright, so these have been on here for about an hour. Looking pretty good. I know before I said I'll probably spritz it, but instead of spritz, I'm just going to spray it with some spray butter. See how this works out. I got my little bites off here that I trimmed earlier. So we'll check back on this again in about 30 minutes. Okay, it's been 30 minutes since the last time I checked. And it's actually looking pretty good. Starting to get some nice color on it. It's still moist from when I spritzed it, so I'm just going to let it keep going. And I'll check back in another 30 minutes. Alright, so it's been 30 more minutes, total of 2 hours. Still looking good. Not quite the color that I want yet. Still moist. See a few dry spots. I'm just going to touch that up. I already see some pullback happening back there. Let me give another 30 minutes. Hopefully by then I'll be ready to wrap it. Alright, let's take another look at this. Alright, this is more the color I was looking for. I was hoping to get this a little darker, but I'm assuming it's just the rubs that I put on here that's not really darkening up that Kinder, that SPG is probably keeping it that way. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to wrap this, and I'll bring you back while I'm wrapping it. Alright, so what we're going to do now, we're going to go ahead and wrap these ribs. What I'm going to use is some honey, some tiger salt, some squeezed butter, and just some brown sugar. I usually use dark. This one's kind of light. Oh, actually, no. Sorry, this is dark. Dark brown sugar. I thought I ran out of it. So, let's get this done. First, we're going to put down a layer of brown sugar. And as you see, I got 2 layers of foil down here. Get the clumps out. Just spread it out a little. Next, I'm going to put down some honey. Then some squeezed butter. Lastly, the tiger sauce. Now usually I would put some more of the rubs down, but I'm not going to do that this time. Just kind of get more of the taste of the barbecue sauce. I'm going to put it meat side down. Then I'm just going to do the same thing on the top of the ribs. Put a little brown sugar. Put some honey. Put some butter. And a little more tiger sauce. Now, just gonna go ahead and wrap this. Try to get as tight as I can. Without poking any holes in it. And I'm just gonna come up on the sides. And that's it. It's gonna go back on the smoker. I'll get about an hour, hour and a half, and then we'll look at it. And I'm gonna do the other one. Once again, don't need you to watch that. It's the same thing as this one. Check back with you when we get ready to check it on the smoker. Alright, so I made a little bit of a rookie mistake. Thought the camera was on while I took it out the foil and put the barbecue sauce on it. So pretty much this is where we're at. They were in the foil for about an hour and 10 minutes. I took them out and I just put the barbecue sauce on it, which is where I'm at right now. I'm gonna give this about 10-15 minutes set, and then I'll be taking them off. Alright, welcome back. Cook is done. The cherry jalapeno barbecue sauce smells phenomenal on these ribs, but it is starting to get dark. I don't have like the fancy light systems and everything to keep it bright out here. So let's go ahead and get into this. Let's cut it and see what we're working with. So here we go. Got the 2 ribs I did. I'm just gonna go ahead and cut into this one. Oop, had a bone. Alright, let's cut right here. Alright, let's get this one out. Oop, well, might have overdid it. I don't really like it when it comes off the bone, but I mean, it is what it is. I mean, got a little smoke ring on it. Yeah, you can see where the cartilage still right there. Bone came out. But hey, I'm still about to taste it, and it's hot. Oh my God, it's hot. I'm about to taste it. So, well, it did. Sorry, but it is hot. Because we're getting dark, I didn't give it enough, like a lot of time to rest and cool off. So I'm killing myself for your entertainment so you can get the whole video out of this. But yeah, that cherry jalapeno barbecue sauce, that is amazing. I like it. Probably won't be able to get it unless you got like an HEB near you, but it's amazing. You know what? I probably need to show you the bottle, huh? Hold on 1 second. So here it is, the cherry jalapeno barbecue sauce. In case you want to go out and get some. But that was amazing. So to wrap this up, thank you for joining me today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Trying to get back on track to get more coming out on more of a better rhythm, like maybe once a week, no more than every 2 weeks. And if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that thumbs up. I think that's about it. Y'all enjoy yourselves. Peace.